wife's up here and she wants to see the squirrel get shot. She's a savage. I'm gonna wait for him to finish this one because you never know when they're gonna pop their little head up. You go to pull the trigger and their head moves so fast. Watch when he finishes this nut, how fast his head moves. Well, I could have took that shot like 7 times. He's preoccupied with the one on the ground. He's trying to keep an eye on who's coming in on my territory.
Who is coming in on my territory?
Oh, what do you think? Think I can make that one, baby?